I got scammed by a fellow content creator. You guys, I have not worn this much makeup in so long, so if my lashes decide to like not hold on to my lid, I'm so... What a week it has been since I started filming this vlog. Let's just say it started out with me finding out that one of my family member got killed. Yeah, and me passing out twice in a day at 2 different thrift stores because a panic attack and anxiety. Also, I was going through finals, but I end up doing some photo shoot with my friend Susie, so that's really good. Yeah, I feel like this is an exciting vlog, so stay tuned to the last bit because I will tell you the detail. Hi guys, today I just did my brows because I'm too lazy to be insecure about my skin. However, it has improved compared to last year. We are going to go thrifting and maybe doing some local Asian grocery shopping. And I have my bag with me. This is the bag that I use for grocery shopping and other stuff. I have my tote bag, my wallet and everything in there. I'm just waiting for Susie to come and pick me up. Cute. This part, we're like at the basement of the thrift store, and at the time while we were looking at some cute stuff, some reason I started to feel nauseous. And in my head, well, there were like 2 guys under there, and in my head I was like, oh my god, what if this guy is like watching us or following us? Like, and I was like, Nisa, you consume too much true crime. So as we got back upstairs, all of a sudden I just couldn't breathe, and I feel like I was gonna throw up. So I gave Susie my card and my stuff. I was like, hey, can you just hold this for a sec? I need to, like, I need fresh air. So as I got out of there, I couldn't breathe. I was basically gasping for air, and I swear I felt like I was going to pass out. I could feel it. So I ran to Susie's car, and of course the car is locked, clearly. My whole world was literally spinning. I felt like the whole world was spinning, and I had to like sit on the floor for a bit. And I couldn't even text Susie because everything was spinning, and I just couldn't. It was terrible. I am at the Goodwill parking lot. I was thrifting with Susie, and all of a sudden I have this weird, like, I don't know, panic attack. I felt like I was about to faint. Yeah, but this is the second time I feel like that today, and I don't know what's happening. So Susie is doing the thrifting for me while I wait in the car. We're at McDonald's. Thank you. Oh.
Wait, what was the noon? It was 10:30. It should have gone down to like 9 something.
Hold on, I think it's the tax. Oh, it's $8.91.
Nice.
So that's nice. You got McDee's. McDeezers.
This one's yours?
Okay, well. Having this small tripod helps so much, dude.
Dude, I bet it
Ooh, do you think I should tuck this in? Ugh. Casually walking around town, 40 degrees. It is casual. And I'm not wearing any coat, so. Black background? Ooh. This is the part that I bet a lot of you guys are waiting for. Nisa, how the hell did you get scammed by another content creator? So let me tell you this story. I've decided to fully commit myself to be a content creator / influencer, and I probably said that a couple of times. And I'm finally done with my first semester in grad school, so I have some time to create content. I was following this content creator. I found them on TikTok, and then I follow them on Instagram as well because they keep on giving really good advice and whatnot. So I'm like, okay, cool. So yeah, I joined their newsletter. By the way, when I say they, it's not like a group of people. I just don't want to say the pronouns because I'm not here to I'm not here to expose anyone. I'm just here to basically vent it out with you guys. So hopefully you guys would be more careful and not dumb like me. Now, they have a promotion and it is their Instagram course. And what I noticed that this content creator is a new Instagram coach. I follow Vanessa Lau and Sunny Lenarduzzi, and I love them both. And I am all about supporting women, small businesses and whatnot, and she is a new coach, so I'm like, oh my god, cool. And her course was originally $200 something, and now they had like 80% off, and it's like $49.99. So I'm like, okay, I guess that's not bad. I get to help like another fellow content creator, I get to help a new coach, and I mean, this is also an investment for me in my Instagram since I've decided I put intention out there to take it seriously now, right? Good intentions, nothing bad. So I checked the testimonials on their page, and a lot of the testimonials, you know, there's good stuff, people on, you know, the videos and everything like that. And a couple of the videos said that, I only have this much following, and now it's been like a couple of months, a month or two, and now I have like, they've grown like, I think they have like 2,000 to 3,000 followers more than before. Now this is the first red flag. I feel that I never before this trust people who promotes or advertise like fast growing, make money fast kind of thing. I never. And I think at that time I considered that because I know that some content creators been getting more attention because of the reels, at least before the election. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I guess she has some, you know, growth hacks. Yeah, and I checked like two of the clients that have used this course, and so their likes are pretty high. I think one of their students have like 9,000 followers, and their likes was around like 100 to 200 likes. And I don't really count Vanity Matrix as much because I know how the algorithm has been acting and whatnot. However, the other one has a big following, but the engagement is not as amazing as he stated on his testimonial, which should have been a red flag. But to me, I'm like, you know what, maybe it's because of the election and the algorithm, and I think the European law just did some stuff, the Instagram just filtering things out. So I'm like, okay, but they have this other testimonial, so you know what, why not? I should just try it. It's only $49 that I could use to pay for groceries, but it is what it is. Yeah, I should have taken this as a first sign, but when I hooked up my credit card, it says that they don't support my credit card. And it says down there, it says it takes Discover. So I'm like, okay, this is weird. So I try it 3 times. And then I emailed this person and whatsoever, but it's not taking my card. What should I do? So this person said, I mean, it's that person. It's the content. It's that influencer. So the person was like, oh, okay. Just like to charge it with card, you have to click PayPal credit. And I clicked PayPal credit, and there's no option for me to put in my Discover card, but it's an option for me to sign up for PayPal credit card. Hey, it's Nisa here. I'm currently editing this video. I'm thinking because she assumed I have a PayPal account, so once you click PayPal credit, it would directly direct you to your PayPal account. But the thing is, I don't have an existing working PayPal account right now. So I wish that she was more thorough with her description, maybe just letting customers know like, hey, if you have a PayPal account, you can pay it through your PayPal account via your credit card instead of just assuming. So that's why I think when I clicked PayPal credit and create account, that's why PayPal automatically assumed that I'm applying for a PayPal credit card, if that makes sense. And to me, I don't think it's completely her fault. I don't think this is her fault, to be honest. I think this is just a miscommunication and a user error on my part. I just want to let you guys know. I don't even know. That should have been the biggest red flag. I should just like drop it. But guess what? She didn't. She just decided to use her debit card. I decided to use my debit card. And then it went through. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm so excited, to join your course. And this person didn't reply, which kind of rubbed me the wrong way because customer service is everything, especially when you're a small business. Cool. So once I got into the course, I realized each of the course is about 2-3, less than 5 minutes probably. 2 and 3 minutes each content. Here's a screenshot of the course syllabus. It's just very basic. I make sure there's no logo so you wouldn't know who this person is. But most of the information that's been given is very basic, generic, and you can find this information via Pinterest and other content coaches online. All of this stuff is literally, you can find it for free. And the reason why I went through this super quickly because I already know this. And if you're wondering, well, if you already know all this stuff, why aren't you growing? Great question. Is because now I figure out what my niche is and I need to be more consistent of my narrative. So that's basically it. I just want to give you guys some receipts. And I went through the content less than an hour. Bitch. Less than an hour. And the video on that course is like, the quality is ridiculous. And the PDFs is just poorly made, poorly designed. And the tips that this person has been giving and the advice is literally the most basic shit. All the shit that I know. All the shit that you can get for free from Sunny Lenarduzzi or Vanessa Lau and other like social media strategists, content creator coaches. Like legit, I was like, wait, what the fuck? And the things that the testimonial said about like making a media kit and how like a 200 following, like how a micro influencer could get paid for their stuff with their press kit or media kit, whatever you want to call it, all that kind of stuff on how to like communicate with brands. And it wasn't there. None of that wasn't there. And then I think of it again, Nisa, you're in PR. You've done this before. Why? So I'm like, okay, I guess this is my fault. But I refuse to take it as it fully my fault because the testimonial said, certain things. Because the testimonial said that you're going to have like a press kit on how you can grow and all this kind of thing and the tactics and hacks and all this kind of stuff. But no, it's just not. All of these things are old ass hacks or hacks that people already know or common sense or things you can get for free online. And apparently it was $200 something and now it's $49. It's not worth the $49. I was trying to, keep an open mind and whatnot. Even the content, like your PDFs and your video is not even good quality. I can do better. Like what? If I'm the kind of person who's like, okay, I get it. As a young coach, you put so much time and effort into it. Like, of course it's going to cost this much. No, you don't even cost that much. And here's the thing. I wanted a refund, but my stupid ass didn't even, okay. So I wanted a refund. And I would be fine if it's like a half, 50% from what I paid. I am a college student. It would be, I thought this was an investment, but it's not. It's shit. So I thought, maybe I could get $20 back. Maybe I can, put food on my table. I don't know. So I went and emailed her, and I like to think I was really nice because like I said, I trusted this content creator. And she emailed me back. First of all, I swear my lashes are falling off. I'm gonna take it out. I'm taking it off. Sorry guys, if you think this is gross, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Definitely look better with lashes. Bitch, I emailed you on the email thread that I emailed you earlier that day when I couldn't figure out like the purchase and the credit card shit that you tried to make me sign up for a PayPal credit card, which was really shady. Should have known it was the biggest red flag, but okay. But we're going with it anyway. And that previous email, she referred me to as Nisa since I introduced myself to Nisa. But this time, she referred me to as Juan. Why? Did I tell you can call me Juan? No, on everything I say Nisa. Sincerely Nisa. Best Nisa. With gratitude Nisa. So you, okay, whatever. I'm gonna let that go. And then, they went on to say they're sorry and which part of my testimonial was misleading. Look, first you refer me on a different name, and second, why do I have to do your job for you? Why? You should know. You should know. You should go to each of your courses and each of the testimonial on there and check and do the audit yourself, because first of all, you are a small coach. You're just starting out. I can tell the way that you put out content on your course, I can tell that you're a small coach. You should be more responsible than that. And plus, you on your Instagram saying like how you're a boss, a girl boss, whatever kind of narrative that you want to do, you should have known. You should have known, okay? You're a business owner. Fine. And then went up to say, oh, I'm sorry, can't give you a refund, it's the final sale, but I can give you a discount on my other course that I was referring to. I just told you that your course sucked and it did not give me a brand new information. And now you're saying you're gonna give me a discount on the course that I thought that I was purchasing. How is this making any sense? How is this making any sense? And it makes me so upset because, as a consumer, it's not fully my fault. I'm going to say it right now, it's not fully my fault. I'm just one of your followers who trusted you, a person with a dream, who definitely forgot that she is in PR and have done contracts with micro influencers. She should have known, but no, she took the time to watch your content, to trust you, and to give you her money. At least offer the course for me for free, even though I know it's probably crap. Here's one of the things why I think I'm so upset, or why I was so naive and gullible. I've purchased courses from other content creators before. I spent a good amount of money on Sunny Lenarduzzi's YouTube course, and the reason why my YouTube is not growing is because I'm inconsistent and I'm still figuring out my creative aspect and whatnot, so it's really not her fault. All of the content that she makes is amazing. Her paid content, more amazing. And the fact that I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm a victim. And I know it's my fault, but it doesn't take away the fact that her course suck. I believe that it's a scam because, like I said, all these informations you can find online. And maybe some information that people don't. Really, you can find a lot of free stuff online. And I should have known. I should have known better. I'm so upset. It's just, you know what? It's whatever. I'm just gonna manifest another $50. Everything will be fine. But I thought I should just let you guys know. If you guys stayed this long, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Subscribe to my channel. Let's just hope I won't make this dumb mistake again. Take care, guys. Let's be a better human. Bye.